In the canyons of steel and glass, a new wilderness has emerged. Our cities. These monuments to human ingenuity are not ours alone. Life in countless forms thrives in this most unnatural habitat. The most adaptable creatures succeed, turning our world into their own. Nature is not distant. It is here, woven into our daily lives. Falcons nest on skyscrapers, foxes slip through gardens, and weeds force their way through cracks in the pavement. The wild is not gone. It has simply changed its form. Spiders are the silent architects of the metropolis, spinning intricate webs between steel and glass. Their webs withstand wind, vibrations and pollution, nature's logic enduring in the city. These eight-legged engineers thrive, adapting and reshaping themselves to conquer the concrete kingdom. The city belongs to them as much as it does to us. Deep in the African rainforest, chimpanzees embody a profound, quiet wisdom. Our closest relatives, they share nearly 99% of our DNA. Their lives are woven with complex social interactions and moments of contemplation. Young chimps learn by watching, imitating tool use passed down through generations, a living culture. Their gestures reveal emotion, grooming for affection, play for bonding, and even grief for loss. Their emotional lives are rich and complex, echoing ours and own. Sometimes a lone chimp gazes over the forest, lost in thought, reflecting perhaps on its place in the world. Here, intelligence is measured not by words, but by connection and understanding. In the sanctuary of the trees, the story of sentience quietly unfolds. Chimpanzee communication is subtle, a language of gestures more nuanced than words. A hand held out requests food. A gentle touch reassures. These signals are learned, flexible, and sometimes invented, forming the roots of language itself. Observation is their key to survival. They track fruit ripening, heed alarm calls, and map the forest in their minds. Their intelligence is practical and emotional. They deceive, empathize, and form alliances. Social maneuvering shapes their society, built on memory and silent gestures. They are not just surviving, they are shaping their world. In every interaction, we glimpse the origins of our own communication. The chimpanzee's world is one of memory, emotion, and silent eloquence. On the Siberian tundra, survival is an art, and the Nenets herding Laika is its master. This dog is more than a pet. It's a vital partner, shaped by centuries of Arctic life. Its double coat repels snow and insulates against the cold, while furred paws grip the ice. The Laika's intelligence is practical. It makes decisions independently, guiding herds across the vast, featureless landscape. It understands both terrain and reindeer, moving thousands of animals with subtle cues. In blizzards, the Laika becomes the herder's eyes and ears, sensing what humans cannot. The bond between Nenets and Laika is one of absolute trust and mutual dependence. Here, a single mistake can be fatal. The dog is a lifeline in the frozen wilderness. In this kingdom of ice, the Laika is both guardian and guide. Its warm heart beats strong against the endless white. The Nenets Laika and the reindeer share an ancient, delicate partnership. The dog is a guide, not a predator, steering the herd with precision and instinct. Herding skills are partly instinctive, but shaped by experience and older dogs' guidance. Laikas read the herd's mood, bold yet gentle, preventing chaos. During migrations, they tirelessly circle and guard, alert to danger. Their vigilance is vital. Survival depends on it. The relationship is built on respect and mutual reliance. Here, dog, human, and reindeer are colleagues in survival. In the Arctic silence, their bond is a testament to resilience and cooperation. In the Australian outback, life is a test of resilience, and the giant grey kangaroo is its champion. Surviving blistering heat, the kangaroo rests in shade and cools itself by licking its forearms, using evaporation to lower body temperature. Its kidneys conserve water, and it derives moisture from the grasses it eats. Its slow, energy-saving hop covers vast distances with minimal effort. As it grazes, the kangaroo maintains grassland health and returns nutrients to the soil, a keystone species. Its presence shapes the ecosystem, preventing overgrowth and fire. To see a mob of kangaroos at dawn is to witness a timeless portrait of survival. The kangaroo is perfectly attuned to scarcity, thriving where others cannot. Its story is one of adaptation and endurance in a land of extremes. The outback's heartbeat echoes in every powerful leap. The birth of a kangaroo is a marvel. After a short pregnancy, a tiny joey climbs unaided to its mother's pouch. Inside, it finds warmth, protection, and milk tailored to its needs. The pouch is a life support system, sheltering the joey for months. The mother can pause a new embryo's development until the pouch is free, raising offspring of different ages, a strategy for survival in harsh conditions. The kangaroo's anatomy is built for speed and defense, massive legs powered by elastic tendons, capable of delivering devastating kicks. From miraculous birth to adult strength, the kangaroo is a masterpiece of evolution. Its life is a testament to adaptation in the red heart of Australia. Every joey's journey is a leap of faith, ensuring the species endures. The kangaroo's legacy is written in every stride across the outback. From city spiders to forest chimps, Arctic dogs to outback kangaroos, we've glimpsed just a few threads in life's tapestry. Each creature is a unique solution to survival, each adaptation a verse in Earth's epic story. Our planet's diversity is its greatest treasure, a library of strategies for every challenge. As our world changes, adaptability is more vital than ever. We are part of this story, agents of change, but also products of evolution. We share ancestry, consciousness, and the capacity for wonder. Our responsibility is to appreciate and protect this interconnected web of life. The Earth is a single living system, teeming with abundance and resilience. Every corner holds something extraordinary. The story of life is one of endless beginnings and awe-inspiring adaptation. And the story is far from over.